Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our English podcast for beginners. I'm Jessica, your teacher.
And I'm Jack, your learning buddy.
Today's topic is super fun. We're learning 10 English slang words Americans love.
Oh, that sounds cool. What is slang, Jessica?
Great question, Jack. Slang means informal words, the kind of words people use with friends, not informal writing.
So it's like casual English.
Exactly. Okay, listeners, get ready. You'll hear 10 slang words that Americans use all the time. Let's start with the first one. The first slang word is cool. It means something is good, nice, or amazing.
Like, that movie was so cool.
Perfect. You can also say, your shoes are cool.
So, cool means something you like.
Yes. Okay, listeners, your turn. Say it with us. Cool.
Cool.
The second slang phrase is hang out. It means to spend time with someone.
Like, I hang out with my friends on weekends.
Exactly. It's friendly and relaxed. Now you try. Say, let's hang out.
Let's hang out.
The next word is awesome. It means something is really, really great.
So it's like cool, but stronger?
You got it. You can say, this pizza is awesome.
My trip to the beach was awesome.
Perfect. Okay, listeners, your turn. Say awesome.
Awesome.
The fourth word is bummer. It means something sad or disappointing.
Oh, like when your phone battery dies?
Exactly. You can say, that's a bummer.
Missing the bus is a bummer.
Great example. Listeners, say it too. That's a bummer.
That's a bummer.
Number 5 is chill. It means to relax.
So, I want to chill after work.
Perfect. It can also describe a calm person. For example, she's so chill.
Oh, I like that. Let's all say it together. Chill.
Nice and easy. Chill. Next slang phrase is no worries. It means it's okay or don't worry about it.
Like when someone says sorry, you can reply, no worries.
Exactly. Say it with me. No worries.
No worries.
Word 7. Broke. It means you don't have money.
Oh no, like, I can't go out, I'm broke.
Yes, but don't worry. It's just slang. People say it as a joke too.
I'm broke after shopping.
Hee hee hee. That's funny and true for many people. Number 8. Crash. It means to sleep very quickly or suddenly after being tired.
Like, I crashed after the party.
Exactly. It can also mean to go to someone's place without planning. Like, can I crash at your house?
So, crash means sleep or stay somewhere suddenly.
Perfect understanding.
Word 9. Dude. It means friend or guy.
Oh, I hear that a lot in movies.
Yes. Americans use it all the time. Hey, dude, what's up?
What's up, dude?
Awesome. Listeners, your turn. Say dude.
Dude.
And the last word, epic. It means something is amazing or unforgettable.
Like, that concert was epic.
Exactly. Or we had an epic weekend.
Wow, I love that one. Epic.
Okay, listeners, your turn. Say it loud. Epic. Great job, everyone. Let's quickly review all 10 slang words we learned today.
Okay, let's go.
1. Cool. Something good. 2. Hang out. Spend time with friends. 3. Awesome. Really great. 4. Bummer. something sad or bad. 5. Chill. Relax. 6. No worries. It's okay. 7. Broke. No money. 8. Crash. Sleep fast or stay somewhere. 9. Dude. Friend or guy. 10. Epic. Amazing or unforgettable.
That was awesome. I mean, epic.
Yes, Jack, you're already using slang like a native speaker.
Thank you, Jessica.
And thank you, dear listeners. Remember to practice these words with your friends. Use one new slang word every day.
Practice makes perfect.
That's right. See you next time for another fun English lesson.
Bye, everyone.
Bye-bye.